Hey guys, hope you're having a great Sunday. I'm out here at 662 Harris Boulevard in Ozark, Missouri, where we are having an open house. This house has just had a huge price drop of about $14,000. Amanda from my team is gonna be out here today. I suggest you take advantage of it, and remember, own Ozark. Let's check it out. Now, before we get in here, I want to remind you... What? Fine. Guys, I gotta put my mask on. I'm sorry. Hold on one second. This horse has Professor Bennett is amazing. Let's check it out. This basement is huge. It's got a couple bedrooms, got one bathroom, the drawing room, and the room. You gotta check it out.